shit, we lost this one. Oh, this is the good one. It has nice pulsing. It's not pulsing today. Let me see. Oh, you could hear the other one. Just like any app. Oh. Should we go down to some for like 7. I know the bell works. Yeah, ceiling panels aren't loose anymore. Look at that interlock, man. For some reason, this one is not pulsing anymore. ATLAS. Down the camp's vibrating like crazy, and the panel is not loose anymore. Not as loose. Oh, you can see up there. Eles vão pra lá, não vou lá não. Oh, there goes the bell. That sweater sounds amazing. Yeah, I think that's mostly. Let's see if we go down to 13. The motor does the sound again. Sound. Some elevators are amazing. Here's a custom button, very rare to see with ATLAS. There's an ATLAS. And it's shaking a lot. The other one's vibrating, this one's shaking. Ground. Yeah, this one is closed, I think. Oh no, this one is working. See if this one has a better motor. I got an all tree. Yeah. ground floor. This one doesn't have an epic motor. Oh, look at that level. It's not safe. Oh man, these Atlas, they have nice motors. Yeah, back in February when I came here, this car was out of service, was the only one out of service. And they used to have the pulsing sound throughout all the shaft. Ooh. Doors. But for some reason, the pulsing sound's not here anymore. Oh, there goes the other car stopping. Sounds like a whale every time it stops. Nice motor goes, woo! Or 707. There's the TV. Ground floor doesn't have any bells, I think. But there it goes. Yeah, not from the service one today because it's a bit more complicated. There you are for ATLAS Plaza. Very nice elevators.